Oh gosh. Oh god. It's not. There it is, the boot mark, which broke into the office. Finally gonna start using the office a bit more, see? Shoot a quick goodbye to the drone because we're about to fly it and I can't see it coming back.
Show them where we're flying it.
They'll see if it comes back. Basically, I crashed the Phantom 3 in Dubai. Oh my god, what has happened here? I crashed into a palm tree, which, you know, if the drone was going to go out, it was probably the best way for it to go. Oh, holy. So yeah, I just figured I might as well upgrade, might as well get the Phantom 4, so.
This is terrible parking.
Took up 2 spaces, but you know what? It's all good. Sometimes you deserve 2 spaces. You deserve 2 spaces. Let's go. Let's go.
Well, if you got 2 of those, and you could saw through them, then it's like man build stuff edition.
We're building a box. Big
wooden
box
inside it. The cube.
Doesn't sound weird.
It's a music video. Yeah. That's bringing back a lot of memories. That isn't it,
for the helmet rig camera.
It was there, and I'm just like power drilling into this helmet.
Whoa. So well.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was scary. It's so dark and danky in here. It's so warm out there.
Narcos.
Ah, see how short that time lapse was? Henry asked for a lift to Tesco. A lift, Henry, in this weather?
I'm boozy.
It's 3:41 AM, heading off to London now for a wedding, and there's a full-on lightning storm happening.
Go, keep going. Oh, fucking hell, mate. Come on. Why stop there? I ain't got no traction, bro. Where are you going? Car park, mate. Yeah, hurry up then.
They always have these metal bars for swimming pools. It's the way to the swimming pool. No. It's not a swimming pool. Oh, it's actually looks pretty cool. Yeah. Did you put that camera there?
Maybe.
The most precarious looking camera ever. Look how fucking close it is. Look at it. Look what's over the edge. Oblivion.